Hello, my name is Siddhant Sachin Nikam. Today, my topic is human body, human anatomy and physiology. I am talking about the human skeletal system. Think human skeleton system as a building block of our body. Our body is made out of skin, and provide the structural integrity to our skin, the skeletal system help to shape our body. The human skeletal system is a complex framework of bones, cartilages, and ligaments to provide structural strength and protection to our body from the inside. To support the body, an essential movement for the body, the blood cells production. Human skeletal system also helps in the production of our blood, the mineral storage, and also is a key factor that our body remains in a shape. The human skeletal system is mainly consist of bones. The bones human skeletal system consists of 206 bones. While childbirth, the child is having more than 206 bone. There are more 250 something bone. After the growth, the bones remain only 206 over time. Bones are classified into two types of main categories: the axal bones, introducing the bones of the skull, vertebral column, and rib cage. It protects vital organs like brain and heart and lungs. Like think of, and the axle bones protect skull protects our brain, the rib cage protects our lungs. The appendicular skeleton that consists of the bones and limbs that are radial, means our hand is consist of the appendicular skeleton bones. The bones types are long bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bones. The long bones found in the arms and legs, these are the long bones. The short bones are cube shaped bones that are formed in our hand. In these parts of the hand, these are the cube bones. The flat bones are found in the thin flattened bones, like this bone. Our shoulder blade is the flat bone, where the irregular bone have the complex shape like our vertebra. Our vertebra is stacked on each other to support and flexible body. The cartilages are for joining bone to bone. This movement is done by the muscle and the cartilage. This bone is different, and this bone, here the cartilage connects the bone to the bone. This is the cartilage. The cartilage is a flexible rubber type bone tissue. It's a tissue and that covers the end of the bone and joints. Also example for the elbows and the knees. Also uh, it found in our nose and ears. These are the cartilages. These are soft bone like tissues. uh, Also, there are joints. Joints are where two or more bones meet. Two or more bones meet each other. This is our joint. This is our joint, and this is also our joint. Elbow, wrist, knees. These are the joints. Joints are where two or more bones meet to each other, and they allow us the movement. Types of joint include the synovial joint, cartilaginous joint, and fibrous joints. The synovial joints are freely movable, like these our shoulder. The cartilage, cartilaginous joints allows us the limited movements, like our knees. Our knee can only go forward or backward. Or the fibrous joint, they do not move. Example, our skull. A skull is made of many parts put together and form a shape of a round ball that enclose our brains. Cartilage. Cartilaginous joints are limited with limited movement, like our vertebra, and the synovial joints are our knees and our shoulders. The bone marrow. The bone marrow is present inside the bone and found in certain bones. There are less bones that form the bone marrow. Bone marrow is a soft tissue responsible for production of our red blood cell and platelet. Platelets mean the white blood cells, WBCs. There are also ligaments and tendons. Ligaments are strong bands of connective tissue that holds bone together in joints, and the tendons are the tissue that attaches the muscle to the bones, and also it does facilitates the movement. Tendons that tend ligaments. First, we talk about the ligaments. Ligaments are connective tissue that joins bones together to the joints, and the tendons use their function as is joining muscle to the bones. Also, the function of our skeletal system is support, protection, movement, mineral storage, and blood cell production. Our bone health is dependent on our calcium intake. The more we eat calcium, the more our bones are healthy. This is our basics of the human skeletal system. Thank you.